A very good morning to you all. I hope students you are fine and at home you are taking care of yourself. Today we'll start a new poem. The name of the poem is A Nation's Strength. एक देश की ताकत क्या होती है. And this poem is, although a short poem with two stanzas only, but it has a very deep meaning and it is a very nice meaningful poem. So when we read the poem, before we read the poem, I'll tell you something about the author of the poem. So the author of the poem is Ralph Waldo Emerson, and he is a very great poet. He is a poet, philosopher, and he delivered many lectures for the people of United States of America. More than 1500 lectures he gave, and he was born in 1801 and he died on 1882. So we'll just start the poem. Before we read, I would just like to ask you a few questions. According to you, what is country's biggest strength? In the following poem, the poet is telling us the pillars of the nation. Like when I ask you what is the biggest strength of a nation, अगर ताकत की बात की जाए किसी देश की तो what is it? Can we tell it is in the sense of that the country should be very rich, full of wealth, the country which has gold, silver, such kind of things makes a nation strong. What makes a nation strong? What is the strength of a nation? तो इस पोएम में क्या पोएट बता रहा है? द पोएट इज़ टेलिंग अस द पिलर्स ऑफ अ नेशन. पिलर्स होता है फाउंडेशन, बेस होता है. लाइक व्हेन वी मेक अ बिल्डिंग, सो व्हाट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट वाइल मेकिंग अ बिल्डिंग और अ स्ट्रक्चर? द बेस इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, द स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. अगर पिलर जो उसके मजबूत होंगे तो बिल्डिंग विल बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. बट अगर अंदर पिलर ही स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होंगे, अंदर मटीरियल ही स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होगा, बेस ही स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होगा, तो द बिल्डिंग विल फॉल डाउन. सो इट विल नॉट, इट विल बी डिस्ट्रक्टेड. सो सेम वे द पिलर ऑफ द नेशन, जो हमारे देश को बनाते हैं वो कौन है, what constitutes a nation. So we are talking about this thing in its poem, in this poem. And it is basically, the poet tells कि ये जो nation है वो किससे बनता है? वो बनता है बाय इट्स पीपल. उसके लोगों से बनता है. उसमें वो किस तरीके के लोग रह रहे हैं जो कि देशभक्त हैं, अपने देश के लिए काम करते हैं. सच काइंड ऑफ पेट्रियोटिक पीपल मेक्स a nation proud, and they make a nation strong. They are the strength of the nation. If the people have a sound value system, लोगों के strong होने से नहीं होता. उनकी जो values है, उनकी जो moral values है वो strong होनी चाहिए. उनमें अच्छी आदतें होनी चाहिए. वो अपने देश के लिए patriotic होने चाहिए. उनको अपने देश के साथ गद्दारी नहीं करनी चाहिए. उनको अपने देश के लिए काम करना चाहिए. So such people they make a nation strong. The poet talks about how the hard-working people of a country make it strong, and not just wealth and riches. Wealth or riches जो कि होता है सोना चांदी, या जो prosperity in terms of gold and all, these things doesn't make a nation strong. It is the people of the country, and these people should be hard-working and truth फुल होने चाहिए. वो लोग सच्चाई की बातें करनी चाहिए. उनको लेज़ी नहीं होना चाहिए. दे शुड बी हार्ड वर्किंग. अगर कोई लेज़ी है तो वो रिलेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग कैसे बनाएगा? सो दिस इज़ अबाउट दैट. अभी हम वील जस्ट स्टार्ट रीडिंग द पोएम. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द स्टैंजाज आफ्टर दैट. सो वील जस्ट स्टार्ट रीडिंग. I can show you the screens. For those who are not having book, they can see the screen. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong, men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly, they build a nation pillars deep and lift them to the sky. So here in these two stanzas, the poet is explaining about what is the real strength of the nation. In the first stanza, when he says not gold but only men can make a people great and strong, he says it is not about gold and such expensive things which makes a nation strong, because through riches and all that a nation is not strong. Only men can make, people can make a nation strong. men who for truth and honor sake, ऐसे लोग, ऐसे आदमी जो सच्चाई के लिए, for the honor sake, शान के लिए जो जीते हैं, stand fast and suffer लॉन्ग, जो अपने देश के लिए जान हथेली पे रखते हैं, जो लोग अपने देश के लिए काम करते हैं, सच पीपल, दीज पीपल आर द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द नेशन। उसके सम्मान के लिए जो जीते हैं, सच्चाई के लिए जो जीते हैं, उन लोगों को, दीज पीपल आर द रियल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द नेशन। सो the poet in this first stanza, he tries to explain you that nation is not made up of gold and riches. वो कीमती वस्तुओं से, कीमती चीज़ों से नहीं बना है। इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्ड वर्किंग पीपल। हार्ड वर्किंग, उसमें ये भी एक क्राइटेरिया है कि द पीपल शुड नॉट बी, दे शुड नॉट बी फेक, वो झूठे नहीं होने चाहिए। दे शुड नॉट बी लेज़ी, दे शुड बी हार्ड वर्किंग। Now in the next stanza what poet says, he says brave men who work while others sleep. हमारी कंट्री में ऐसे कई लोग हैं. What do you think when you, while we are sleeping, while everyone is sleeping, while you are sleeping, in fact at night there are several people who are not sleeping, who are working hard, like the people from defense who are guarding and protecting our country. अगर वो ही सो जाएंगे तो who will be guarding our borders and all that, enemy will attack us. ऐसे ही कई लोग हैं जो आपके लिए रात भर काम करते हैं. the media world, the people who are who are concerned with the newspapers and all that, who are daily, who are providing us news and all that, these people are also working day and night. Then people who are doing good for our country, they are also working day and night. So such people, the people who are not sleeping and working hard, these people are the strength of nation, who dare while others fly. They build a nation pillars deep. जब दूसरे लोग सो रहे होते हैं, जब लोग आगे जाने को राज़ी नहीं होते हैं, दे डेयर, वो हिम्मत करके आगे बढ़ते हैं. दीज पीपल आर द पिलर्स ऑफ नेशन. यही हमारे नेशन का जो है बेस है. दे आर द पिलर्स. जैसे पिलर्स होता है, पिलर्स जनरली इट इज़ यूज फॉर बिल्डिंग्स एंड ऑल, बिकॉज इट इज़ बेस, वो बुनियाद है. इसी तरीके से ये लोग भी हमारी देश की बुनियाद हैं. एंड लिफ्ट देम टू द स्काई. और ये हमारे देश के पिलर हैं, और जो कि हमारे देश को आसमान की ऊंचाइयों तक लेके जाते हैं. सो दे डोंट केयर फॉर देमसेल्व्स, दे डोंट केयर कि दे आर स्लीपिंग और नॉट. when the other people are sleeping asleep, they are working day and night hard to protect our nation, to do anything for our nation. So they are the pride of our nation. यही हमारे देश की असली शान है. and they are the real strength of our nation. So this was the poem, and the summary of the poem. Again I would like to explain you that the poet in these two stanzas, he is very clearly telling us that gold and expensive things doesn't make our nation strong. Those people who are fighting for the truth, who can't listen anything about anything bad about their country, who are always fighting for the honor of our country, they are the brave men who are working while others are sleeping, and they build the nation, they build the pillars of the nation, and they lift the nation up to the sky. वो हमारे देश को ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाते हैं. So this was the short poem which had a very deep meaning, and we should be very truthful and hard working towards our nation. We should do our work to, हम nation के लिए कैसे contribute कर सकते हैं? By doing our work very sincerely. Whatever you are doing, you should do for your nation. Like if you are a student, you have to be studying hard. If I am a teacher, it is my duty that I have to teach you. If you are a parent, it is your duty to teach good values to your children. So even if a teacher is teaching good values to their students about how they should treat their nation and work hard for it, so these are the good values which you have to learn. So this was the poem A Nation's Strength, written by the poet Ralph Waldo Emerson. I hope you all understood the poem, and we'll do a revision. Tomorrow we'll be doing the exercises of it. So I hope you understood. If you had any difficulties regarding the poem, if you want to ask me anything, we'll be discussing it tomorrow and we'll be doing the exercises also tomorrow. Thank you.